how to lock your Android notifications onto your lock screen. So this is an extremely important tip that enhances privacy by controlling what appears onto your lock screen. Normally, essentially, few apps like WhatsApp already are doing their best into protecting what's onto your screen, but you can also manually do that into your phone setting. Head over to your settings and go onto notification center right here. And from here, you are gonna select the lock screen and choose to hide sensitive content or turn off notifications entirely. I'm gonna head, you can see the notifications to show notifications but hide content. Either you can show notification content or you cannot show lock screen notifications at all. You can see mine is already preset to show the notifications but hide the content. So I'm gonna select that. And this way you can have enhanced privacy onto your lock screen as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you.